So when you're adding images in the gallery, I'm just going to do that quickly because it's easier to show. So let's go here. All right. So if you wanted to add a caption, there is the option of typing it in here as the caption. And also I would suggest you put in the alt text as well. This is, alt text is what Google reads. And obviously if the image doesn't load, it'll load this text. So it's a good way to, yeah. Some people on their phones might have images turned off if they're trying to save data. So it's a good way to still explain what's in that space, which will then be blank on their phone. The alt text will still come up. The caption can be specifically handled in the design. You'll see here there's caption text. So if you fill in the caption on all of those images, and then you come here into the design section of this gallery module and come to the caption text part, then you can style that text according to how you want it to come up and look on your gallery. But yeah, that's where you add it.